we guide you through how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account in just a few quick steps. So the first thing you need to do is to open your browser because you can't deactivate directly from the app. Then go to instagram.com and log in into your account. And once you're in, click your profile icon at the top right corner and select profile. After that, edit profile. Scroll all the way down until you see the option that says temporarily deactivate my account. Click it, then Instagram will ask you to choose a reason for deactivating. Just pick any option that fits or select something else. Next, re-enter your password to confirm it's really you. Then click the temporarily deactivate account button and finally confirm your choice. Your account will now be hidden until you log back in again.